What is To Look OLL? To Look OLL is a method of doing OLL that doesn't require learning 57 algorithms. To Look OLL only requires 10 algorithms, and shortly I will explain how it works. First, you need 3 algorithms to make the top cross, and you need 7 algorithms to orient the rest of the corners. Before I begin the video, check out dailypuzzles.com.au. They have a lot of new products like the Volk 5M, Guide Megaminx, and the cool YJ bags. Also, don't forget to use a discount code JVCubes to get a 10% discount when you check out. For more information, check the description. First, we have to orient the top color cross. You can get a total of 3 cases. The first one is where this and this edge are oriented. You hold it like this and do. The next case is where it's just one line, and you just do. The final case you can get where it's just a dot. You can hold it from any angle and do this. And that's all the algorithms you need to know for orienting the yellow cross. Next, we have to orient the yellow corners, and we can get a total of 7 cases. To shorten the video, I will just show you the algorithm and what angle you should hold it. Soon. Anti-soon. U. T. Bow tie. Pie. H. Or alternatively, you can do this. To finish the video, I will just compare To Look OLL with One Look OLL. So keep watching. Three seconds. So that's my video on To Look OLL. If you like this video, smash that like and subscribe button. Share this video with somebody you think could improve on their OLL. One more thing, if you haven't already, check my video on me reconstructing my personal best of 9.69 seconds. So anyway guys, see you later on the next video. Bye bye.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.